Are you tired of your website languishing on page 2 of search results, never quite making the cut for that coveted top spot? What if I told you there's a powerful ally that can transform your SEO game overnight? Introducing the Tarantula SEO Spider, the ultimate tool for mastering SEO audits and climbing the ranks of search engines like never before. With the Tarantula SEO Spider, you can harness advanced AI capabilities that dissect your website's performance, revealing deep insights that traditional tools simply can't match. Lightning-fast performance allows you to analyze your site in real time, giving you the data you need to make swift and impactful changes. Whether you're an SEO professional, a thriving company, or an ambitious agency, this tool empowers you to optimize your online presence with unrivaled efficiency. Imagine accessing comprehensive data analysis effortlessly. The Tarantula SEO Spider connects seamlessly with Google's APIs, bringing you the most valuable information right at your fingertips. Say goodbye to tedious manual audits and hello to a user-friendly interface that simplifies even the most complex SEO tasks. You can customize every aspect of your audit process, tailoring it to meet your unique needs and preferences. But that's not all. With the Tarantula SEO Spider, you'll discover hidden opportunities to improve your website's visibility, enhance user experience, and ultimately drive more traffic. The insights you gain will not only boost your rankings, but also help you stay ahead of the competition in today's fast-paced digital landscape. So, if you're ready to watch your website dominate the search results and take your SEO strategy to unparalleled heights, there's no time to waste. Dive into the world of Tarantula SEO Spider today and unlock your site's true potential. Thank you for watching. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights and tools that will help you maximize your online presence. Don't miss out on becoming an SEO powerhouse.